Did you want life? Ooh.
He wanted it because his mommy wanted it, huh?
Something you truly
He
needed.
thought of it. He heard you. Huh?
Yeah. Isn't that amazing?
Two, Kyle.
Wait a minute, he's still working on this one. Oh, Kyle!
Car cake.
Ooh.
Let me see, Kyle.
Put cars in it, huh?
Show me, Kyle.
So Daddy.
He could put his cars in it, huh?
No. Show me.
No.
Kyle, please.
Two cars for Santa. Yeah.
Little jump.
2 quarters for Santa.
Little jump.
Kyle takes longer, doesn't he?
Kyle, open his present.
He found another one of these.
Cars again. He likes cars.
Yeah, he got lots of cards. Bye.
I can go to any level.
What is it?
Game Genie. I can go to any level.
I thought that
Game Weenie?
was
What's it called?
What? Game Genie.
Oh.
Game Genie.
For you weenies that can't get to the top level on your own.
Oh, he got toothbrush. That's what your
Hey,
teeth.
Mickey Mouse. Mickey Mouse.
He sees the brushes, Corey.
Look, Mickey Mouse. Yeah, but Mickey Mouse.
Show Daddy it's for your teeth. Hold it up for the camera. Pick it up. Paintbrush. Show Daddy Mickey Mouse.
What?
Show Daddy. Pick it up. Pick it up. Show Daddy. There he is. Hold it up.
Let me see.
Like this.
Ooh. You gotta brush some teeth.
Come on, here, Kyle. George Lego box.
All right. I think you need one of those. You want one, huh?
Not even full of Lego.
Oh, look at Kyle got, Corey. Bucket of crayons.
Honestly, all of them.
Well, take it away. There's big ones.
Open it. Football.
A football.
Oh no. Not another charity ball. You can hand out to the neighborhood kids.
And a ball. A ball too, Dad.
A regular bouncy ball?
No. The ball. No. What? Open it. Open it, Nancy. Come look.
You want that one?
Fine, I'll open it. A baseball bat.
Ooh, that's yours, Kyle. That's your baseball
You can open
bat.
that one. Go ahead, open it. Is that for you?
No, it's for me. No? For... Oh. I'm done.
Kyle, slow.
Open, Kyle.
So what did you get that you wanted?
This. It's a big old coloring book.
Look at Corey.
Ooh, Ernie set. I mean, Sesame
Help him
Street
if you
set.
drop mine.
Tycoon. See what's black.
You coloring, Kyle? I heard that. I heard you burp.
Look at that. Whoa. Donald Duck. Ooh, puppy. Oh, that's a nice picture. See him color that? Show Daddy how you color. Are you watching? That's
Ooh.
it. Ooh. I see it. Okay. Ooh.
He did even more.
Oh, it's so good. Right there. Woo! Woo! That's such a good color.
You brushing your teeth? Brush the rest of your teeth.
Oh, very nice. What is that?
Move it around.
No, show Mommy what it is. Is that Mickey Mouse? Show Mommy. Oh, what is that? Mickey Mouse toothbrush?
Here, brush your teeth. Kyle, come here. Turn it off if you're not going to use it. You know how? Yeah. You got it. Go the other way. That's it. There.
No.
Turn it back on, Daddy.
Brush your teeth.
Have to turn it on. Oh. Go away. And what are you playing with, young man?
A Lego?
Lego building set?
Yeah.
What is it?
It's the Lego Pirates system.
Oh. Did you have a nice Christmas?
Yeah.
Hi. Oh, yeah, he got the power blaster, paint blaster,
No.
color blaster. More water? That good water? Your new cup? And your new Mickey? Careful. Very nice. I like it. Oh, very good. Now put your cup back. Take another drink. And put your cup back in by Mickey. Mickey? No, don't put water on him.